there everyone, Sumit here and you are watching the Bitcode. So in this video we are going to talk about Spring Boot. Here we have two words, Spring and Boot. So the first part is Spring, something you must be familiar with, that is the Spring Framework. So the Spring Framework is popular, open source and enterprise level framework for creating standalone and production grade applications that run on JVM. And Boot is Bootstrap. So the Spring Boot is something that lets you bootstrap a Spring application from the scratch. So let's have a look onto the official definition of Spring Boot on spring.io website, and let's try to understand the definition. So here it says create Spring based applications, which means Spring Boot is a tool built on the top of Spring Framework, and it comes with many dependencies that can be plugged into the Spring applications. Some of these dependencies are Spring Kafka, Spring LDAP, Spring Security, and Spring Web Services. So what do these Spring based applications look like that Spring Boot creates for us? So these applications are standalone, which means they run on its own, and they are production grade, which means something enterprise level applications. So this is very important because if you have spent time in creating a Spring application without using the Spring Boot, you will understand the pain of having to do a lots of configurations and lots of jars you need to import just to get to the point to run the application or to see the application in running state. But that's no longer the case with Spring Boot. But now we have an easy way to create the Spring application by using the Spring Boot, and that just runs with very little effort. So that's the promise of Spring Boot. That's it for this video guys, and let's catch up in the next video to discuss on why is Spring Boot so popular. See you soon. Bye bye.